For the whole day, gold has been trading in range where it failed to break past 1935 on the upside and 1920 on the downside. And I have stated these levels in the morning analysis as well, that beyond 1932, 1935 is the first level, and only if it breaks beyond 1935 and then 1940, you can consider it to be bullish. At the same time, below 1924 it was a sell. However, till 1920 and 1915 it was not a bearish day. Likewise, it has reflected the same throughout the day. And if you look at the US crude WTI, it has also dropped till towards 78.8. Remember, we noted this level that these are going to be good support levels. A sell was at 79.4 and 78.8 was the support. I told you this was going to be a good support level. Precisely achieving this, it has bounced back. Now, what to expect with the US session? In these two, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon, which will keep you updated with the next analysis, latest analysis. The next updates on these will be released before the Asia session, exactly 12 hours from now. Do watch that also. Let's start. First, we'll look into gold, followed with crude oil WTI. Do watch till the end, listen to it carefully, note down the levels and trade as per the levels. Now, look at the hourly charts for oil. Clearly, it is trading very much in the box. It is not willing to go down. It is not willing to go up. Sorry, I mean for gold, it is not willing to go down. It is not willing to go up. And the gold very much is trading between 1920 and 1935 levels. Now, if you look at the charts again on the hourly chart, see lower highs are seen, lower lows are seen. However, very much it has failed to break past on the upside. So once again, if you see it trading above 1932, you can buy, but then expect 1935 first resistance, and then here is the next resistance at 37 and 40. Only and only if it breaks past 40, I will consider this as a bullish move. Remember this fact. Now, directional movement is bearish here. Stochastic was oversold, trying to rise. The MACD is on sell side still. RSI is trying to rise a bit. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, now look at the 2-hour charts here. See the previous two candles, lows, and there was a strong pull on the downside. It closed in red. Now look at this candle, higher lows are seen and it is trying to reverse. So this is very much a phase of consolidation. Only and only if you see it trading above 1932, you can buy, but then expect 1935 the nearest resistance, and hence you have to trade with caution till 1935, only beyond which, till in fact if you are buying at 1935, remember 37 and 40 are still a good resistance zone. So it is just trying to consolidate here. Any breakout above and below will be a good indication. Directional movement moderately bearish. Stochastic at bottom trying to rise here. The MACD is still on sell, but it is trying to converge here. RSI is trying to look upwards on the 2-hour charts. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, similar observation, nothing different. Just look at the two candles. Previous candle hardly had any body there and almost closed in the doji, and this candle achieving the lows, trying to reverse. Now possibly it can go back till towards 1930 levels. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is dropping again. The MACD is bearish, willing to converge here. The RSI is trying to look upwards, and similarly on the 4-hour charts. Now on the 4-hour charts, look at these candles. Now if you look at the candles here, first thing is previous 3 candles, low and lows were seen, and if you replicate these candles here, you can find the highs here at 1928-30 levels are going to be good resistance there. So now this one thing is very clear, that only sell entry is at 1920 levels, below which 1920 if you are selling, you can expect 1915 and below levels. So this is going to be a breakout, and I will wait for it to break out either which way is right now, trading within the box. Directional movement bearish, stochastic dropping, the MACD is bearish, trying to converge, RSI trying to look upward, show a little strength. Now look at the daily charts. And if you look at the daily chart, see lower highs, higher lows. Yes, it can still drop a little and possibly achieve the zone at 1917, 1918. So as I said in the morning also, once again I am repeating, in between 1940 and 1915 for these $25, be very cautious, as it can give very good swings here before it gives a breakout. Directional movement is bullish. It is diverging again. Stochastic has seen a good drop. The MACD is divergent and is bearish. Remember, it is divergent and bearish. It is still looking down. This movement can accelerate a bit. RSI is overbought, now trying to look downwards. Considering this, now you can sell at 1922 and buy at 1932. For these $10, do not take any positions, and even if you are selling at 1922, remember 1920, 18 until 1915 it has got very good support. Below that it can give you a very good break. 1910, 1905, 1900 levels can be seen, but right now it is in the phase of consolidation, and hence wait for the breakout for it to take a direction. Yes, you can initiate a sell entry at 1922. However, once again I am saying, I told you in the morning also, trade with a $2 trailing stop loss, such that if it can reverse, if it reverses, your trade closes in profit, and if you see it again trading in the same direction, re-enter again. So please put a trailing stop loss, because it is trading very much in range. On the upside, you can buy at 1932, but then 1935 the first, then 1937, and then 1940. Only and only if it breaks past 1940, you can expect that 1945 and 50 levels to be seen, and it may try to trade increasingly bullish. Till the time, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at crude oil WTI. And before we proceed, yes, if you want to learn the art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 19th mentorship batch is going to start on 6th of February. Only few seats are left. Do not miss this opportunity. Join the batch, and definitely the strategies taught, the tools and techniques taught will help you trade anything and everything with confidence. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at the hourly chart for US crude. Yes, it has filled the gap. I asked you to sell here at 79.4, expect 79.2 and 78.8, precisely achieving 78.8. It has bounced back. Now see, drop, retracement. Now see the previous two candles. See, higher lows are seen and lower highs are seen. So once you see it trading beyond $80 levels, you can buy again, and then you can expect 80.3, 80.6, and beyond that we may see it hitting 81 levels. Now if you look at the direction movement, this is bearish. Stochastic is overbought. The MACD has crossed over and it is divergent and bullish. It is looking upwards. RSI is trading flat here. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, see, it is looking forward to give you third bullish candle, and this time it may give you very good bullish candle, which might take it till towards 80.5, 80.6 levels, and hence you can take your trades above 80 and stay long above $80. Direction movement bearish. Stochastic rising here. The MACD is bearish, trying to converge. RSI is trading at bottom. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, likewise on the 3-hour charts, reversal, first higher lows, first green candle here, waiting for it to break out, and then possibly we may see it hitting 80.5 and 81 levels also. Direction movement bearish, stochastic at bottom trying to bounce back. The MACD is bearish, trying to converge here. The RSI is trading flat. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, now on the 4-hour charts, see, higher lows, lower highs. Look at the swing here, 78.8 to $80, which means again 79.4 as a good pivot level. So yes, you can sell again at 79.4, but those who want to take a safe entry should wait for 79.2, and then below that you can expect 78.8, 78.5 levels. On the upside, above 80 you can buy and expect 80.3, 80.6 levels, and beyond that it is going to fly high. Directional movement moderately bearish, stochastic rising from the oversold zone. MACD is bearish, trying to converge. The RSI also is at a comfortable zone, neither bullish nor bearish. Now look at the daily charts here. See, on the daily charts, see, lower highs, lower lows, so possibility for it to rise till towards 80.3, 80.5 edges, which is going to remain a very good resistance. Direction movement is bullish, trying to converge. Stochastic is at bottom. The MACD has taken a crossover. This is a bearish cross. This is trading with divergence, and RSI is trading flat. Considering this for the day, I will recommend you to buy at $80 levels, and above 80 you can expect 80.3 and 80.6 as the targets. Beyond 80.6, if it trades, we can see 81, 81.5, 82, and then 82.6 levels. Only and only if it trades above 81.5 levels, little more bullishness can be expected. At the same time, you can sell here at 79.4 and expect it to drop for 79.2, 78.8, and below that you can expect 78.5. Once it drops below 78.5, we can expect a further sharper drop. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss. Trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signal group. Reach out to me for more details. Thank you very much. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. So thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.